Hi, my name is Autumn Klein, and I'm a master hairstylist of 17 years, and I'm here today to share with you all why I love our ProLuxe hair mask. Typically in the past, what you know about hair masks is that they generally weigh your hair down, they're heavy, they're a one-time use. However, ProLuxe works totally different. The ProLuxe hair mask works for all members of your family, including kids, and is great, especially in the summertime, for pool and sun damage. This hair mask can be applied to wet or dry hair, left on ideally for 15 to 20 minutes, but can be used for as little as 5 minutes if you just need a little boost, or if you need a little extra TLC for your hair, 20 minutes is great. It's recommended to be used once a week or every few washings. One of the many benefits of ProLuxe is that it can extend your time in between washings. So if you don't feel as though you wash your hair daily or every other day, this is a great product to throw in every few washings. It works great to utilize as a leave-in treatment for coarse, frizzy, wavy, or curly hair types and textures. When applying the hair mask, ideally you want to apply from scalp to ends, and it provides immediate results with a cumulative impact over multiple uses. This will provide relief from an itchy scalp and also helps to moisturize a dry scalp. What makes the ProLuxe hair mask different, in my professional opinion, is its ability to bond together broken strands. This is a combination of technology and ingredients that work together to improve smoothness, shine, and manageability with the hair, while also helping to seek out and repair damage to the hair shaft. This characteristic is very critical in summer for color retention, preventing sun damage, and also working to keep the hair strands bonded and strong to prevent chlorine and environmental damages. This ProLuxe hair mask is an absolute must-have in my hair care regimen, as well as everything that I recommend to my clients, customers, and friends. I encourage you to do the same and give it a shot. You won't be disappointed.